Viva, viva, viva. Not a market update today. What we'll talk about is are we getting into the bull market, or is a bull run happening in crypto? We're going to take a look, some indicator and history data. I like to go back and see what's going on in the past so we can have a better decision or make a better decision for our future trading and investment. All right, so we're going to take a look at some indicator history data so you guys can kind of hope I can help you guys out to kind of decide if we are getting to the bull market or if it's just a pump or if it's a fake out or if it's time for you guys to start preparing for the bull market get in, right? So let's get in the first slide and get back to the to the bull. Okay. What is a bull market? First thing we kind of need to identify what a bull market is, right? So a bull market is characterized by a positive trend in the economy, marked by a rise in asset price. Guys, I even highlighted the key things that we need to look at it. So the things I'm actually highlighting, those are the indicators that we kind of have to look at it. So most this indicated that they always come through. So one of the things is rising asset prices. You got to take a look at a traditional market and crypto market as well. So strong economic growth. We're going to take a look at the numbers as well to see if we actually are in a very strong economy, or if the economy is growing or it's going down. And high level of employment. The employment is getting higher, or is it lowering? What's going on in there? So we have some numbers here so we can take a look. So the investors have a positive outlook during a bull market as they anticipate the further growth in the market. That's what it is, guys. Bull market, you expect the rise of asset price. You expect the economy to be very strong, and you expect to be lots and lots of jobs and unemployment number to really go down as well. So that's those are the main indicators, right? So now let's take a look going back to 2022, the outlook for the economy. We're talking about the US economy because as I told you guys before, the users, the people that actually bring a lot of liquidity for the crypto market, as we all know, is the US users. Is the US still. For now, is the US. So we got to take a look at the US economy. Okay, so the outlook for the economy, for the US economy in 2022, GDP, actually, we were predicting to actually going down in 2022. It actually grew by 3.2%. So remember, guys, strong economic growth. So the economy in 2022, it actually grew by 3.2%. For the outcome, or for what we expect, what we predicting for 2023 is a 2.7% actually lower than 2022. So but 2024 there's expected to recover by 1.7%. So as we all know, 2024 is when we have the Bitcoin halving. So normally that's when we start getting the bull market. Normally that's the completely 4-year cycle. And that's when we start the bull market. This has been happening since the crypto market started. So will it play out where it's supposed to be? So we don't know. But if it plays out, it kind of confirms a lot that every 4 years from now, there's always a bull market. So whether the economy, the economy has to be strong as well. So it always helps, right? So 4 cycle, we'll see if that plays out, if not. So we still have those indicators here, so that can confirm us that we in the bull market or not. So 2022 GDP, which is the gross domestic price, it's actually grew in 2022. It grew 3.2%. But 2023, we expect that it actually comes out lower than 2022. But 2024, we expect to recover 1.7%. So we'll see. We'll see. Those are just prediction, but 2022, the economy actually grew way above what was expected. All right. So now let's take a look at another indicator, which is the level of employment. That's what we're talking about, right? So employment level. So the employment population ratio increased by 0.2% point over the months to 60.1%. The labor force participation rating was little changed, 62.3%. So as you can see, the employment population ratio actually increased by 0.2%, guys. That means there is a percentage of 0.2% of increase of jobs. You know what I mean? So now let's take a look at the unemployment rate in the US dropped to 3.5% in December 2022. So look at that. Okay, there was an increase of jobs of 0.2%, but on the other hand, unemployment rate, they actually dropped by 3.5%. That's a lot, guys. So that's another indicator. As you can see, I'll show you guys why I'm actually giving you those numbers and why it's very significant, those indicators to look good for us to start scratching our heads if we should put our hats, or if we should just keep sitting back and appreciate the market. All right, so let's take a look at another slide here, which is what caused a bull market. It's very interesting, guys. I want you guys to pay attention to this. Other factors that can contribute to the emergence of bull market includes robust economic growth. That's what we were talking about in the past slide. A strong economic, as measured by GDP, the gross domestic price. So, and low levels in employment, that's what we're talking about, right? So you just a recap so you guys can know what causes a bull market to happen, right? This is based on the traditional market as well. It's the same thing, robust economic growth, which is strong economic, which is based on the numbers, the GDP numbers. And then the other indicator is the low level of unemployment, all right? So the factors tend to boost the investing confidence in the market. The same is true for the cryptocurrency market, which is like the traditional markets. It's influenced by similar factors. That's what we're saying before. However, the crypto market is relatively new, has a smaller pool of investors compared to traditional security market, which have a much longer history. As a result, cryptocurrency market may also be influenced by factors that are unique to this niche. And here's a few, guys. You guys can take a look, can go back and do your research, and you'll see this is some of the things that a lot of people might think is ridiculous, but this is one of the things that trigger most of the run as well, especially in the NFT side of the crypto. Celebrity. For instance, bull runs in the cryptocurrency market may be triggered by factors such celebrity, mainstream media support, such as influence of Perry Hilton and DJ Khaled in 2017, and TV shows like The Big Bang Theory. Inflows of institutional investment like MicroStrategy, 650 million Bitcoin investment, over 70,000 BTC that he bought. You seen what I'm saying, right? So growing optimism from traditional finance has seen in JP Morgan strategists stating that Bitcoin could rally to as high as 146,000. Remember, guys, there was a lot of investment banks and hedge funds that saying that Bitcoin will go to 500,000, 200, 100,000. So and there's a lot of them buying Bitcoin as well. Unique events that affect traditional finance. For example, the pandemic. I'm not going to say what pandemic is, but you guys know which one, which led many people to turn to crypto during the stress caused by the pandemic on traditional financial market, guys. You know, in 2020, when we had that crash in March 2020 because of the pandemic, but we a few months or a couple of weeks after, so we saw the crazy closing the countries and stuff like that. But people, when they got started receive those checks, what happened to the crypto market? We had this huge run to 69,000. So let's go to a different one. Trends of a bull market in cryptocurrency, guys. The typical characteristic of a bull market in cryptocurrency include sustained rise in price over a period of time, high demand despite limited supply, elevated investor confidence in the market, over evaluating of certain projects. You guys seen them. There was a lot of garbage projects that were just overpriced, guys. NFTs and even coin as well. So pay attention. This is some of the indicators. I showed you guys the measures indicated that you can see: strong economy, low unemployment, high employment as well. So now this is other indicators that you guys can take a look and kind of see if we actually get into the bull market or not. So increased discussions about cryptocurrency in the mainstream in social media. Pay attention Twitter, guys, and YouTube. See what's going on in there. You're gonna start you're gonna start looking at there's be a lot of guys coming back promoting cryptocurrency project as well. That's when you start to notice that there's a lot of people talking about cryptocurrency. So there's another indicator there. So pay attention, guys. Twitter, you know, Twitter is our main social media site that we use for cryptocurrency communication. So pay attention. Download your Twitters, guys. You gotta have a Twitter, guys. Growing interest in cryptocurrency among celebrities. Pay attention right now. Is any celebrity or influencer or other group who previously had little interest in crypto that actually they're starting to talk about? Look, don't forget Trump. Trump just launched his NFTs. Pay attention, guys. I'm not saying the bull market is in, but the signs are starting to get to us. So pay attention. Sharp price increase in response to positive news. What happened? Any positive news about the crypto market? Yeah, we got this week. We got a little bit about El Salvador. El Salvador, they're gonna do a bond based on BTC. You know, I don't know if it actually helped pumping the price, but but that was very positive. That was very bullish. Now we have something very interesting here. Minor price decrease in response to negative news. Remember, guys, this week, the past week, which is I'm talking about Thursday and Friday, we had this huge. It was very huge, guy. One of the biggest lenders, Genesis, just filed for bankruptcy, guys. Just filed for bankruptcy. And what happened to the price? We went all the way to 23,000. We hit 23,000, guys. How's that even not make you think? Because that type of news, it would just get Bitcoin to get destroyed by 10 or 15%, but it never happened, guys. We didn't see any price going down. We saw the price trying to break through. We actually broke through to 23,000. And my last video told you guys that Bitcoin probably will get to 25,000, and it would get to 23,000, and then it might, before it reverse, it will probably go into 25,000. So right now, Bitcoin has passed 23,000. I think we have a little bit of pullback, but I don't know if the pullback will happen today. It might take a couple of days. But the pullback is coming. But it's just that the signs are here, guys. The signs are starting to catch up with us. Minor price decrease in response to negative news. Genesis, as you guys know, is the biggest. Do your research. Is the biggest lender that lend a lot of money to FTX, lend Gemini, and then to 3A Capital. Most of the companies, the Celsius, most of the companies that went bust, they went bankrupt. No, they got destroyed by the bear market. Genesis was a company that actually lent money to them. So imagine that. The company that lent billions and millions to those companies, they just filed from bankruptcy. They got bust. So, but the price, the crypto market never respond to any drop, anything on the price. The only thing that happens is the price actually increased. So this is it, guys. Start looking those indicators. I hope this video will help you guys out to start taking a look at what indicators you guys want to take a look for you to decide if we are in a bull market or not. Those are very strong indicators, guys. The one that is the strong economy, you got to take a look at the high employment numbers and employment as well. So, and there's certain unique indicators that I mentioned to you guys just now that are unique for the crypto market. Celebrities, influencers keep talking about for projects on crypto, or they start talking about Bitcoin. You get Trump launching these NFTs. Back when he was a president, he destroyed cryptocurrency, say it was a scam and blah, blah, blah. So stop paying attention to that. Negative news, guys. When you see a huge negative news, look at the price. Is any reaction? There's no reaction. You got to start thinking and look, what's going on? Maybe we got the bottom. Is the economy looking better or worse? What's going on around you? What's going on, guys? That's the question you gotta ask yourself. And why? The why has to be in it. It has to be the why, right? All right. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. I hope this video it will help you out to kind of have those indicators in the back of your mind, so you can decide exactly when to start getting in. If you're a trader or if you're an investor, you don't want to FOMO, but you do want to know when to buy it, because there's a lot of coins that still a 90% discount. So if you can tell the signs are catching up to you, you can tell that things are the puzzle is being put together. So you know, okay, I think it's time for me to put at least 5%. But that is up to you guys. The only thing I provide to you guys is some of the strong indicators for the traditional market, for the crypto market, unique to the crypto market as well. So I hope that helps you a lot. And I hope the next bull market will be one of the best bull market for all you guys. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. There's some great stuff coming up next.